Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
Just do it!
Please, take a deep breath.
I must get. I can't use the internet at all.
Hey, that's pretty good.
A. Where? You. In the middle of the night. B. I'm not going anywhere. This fish is delicious. It's about time. We. It's nearly midnight. Gerard. At the bus stop. He. For the bus.
The boys hurt. Playing football in the park.
I don't know if I can do it, but I'll go.
I'd rather you. To me like that in front of the customers.
I have a new car. Car is red.
He wouldn't be so successful now. If he. So hard when he was at school. Did you remember? The parcels.
What is capital city of Australia? Is it Sydney or Canberra?
I can't find my keys. He's been working there 10 years. This is sheep. It. Grass and leaves.
Wait a minute! Who are you?